Navigate to the configuration page. Select New to add a configuration. Provide a meaningful configuration name. Select the database table, enter the corresponding Odoo model, then click Save to create a mapping that enables seamless data synchronization between your database and Odoo. Copy the Connect as user URL. Start by opening Power BI, then tap Create to build a powerful interactive dashboard. In Power BI, click Get Data, search for the Web API connector, and select it to begin importing data from your API endpoint. Paste the copied data source URL into the connection field. Then click Next to securely connect Power BI and begin importing your Odoo data. Begin by creating a new report and assigning a descriptive name to the semantic model. Once you've entered the name, click Create to generate the semantic model and establish the foundation for building interactive dashboards and reports. Go to the Data pane on the right and select the imported query. Now it's time to bring your data to life. Select the visualization that best fits your reporting requirements, then drag and drop the required fields from the imported query into the chart configuration. Power BI automatically generates a beautiful, interactive sales chart that updates instantly, helping you analyze sales performance, identify trends, and build powerful business dashboards with just a few clicks.